Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot. Case another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading resonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit guys, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life, and guidance ang nais yung ipabatid sa amin. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig. Yan po natin ngayon. Spirit guides, send me messages. Anong love connections ito, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid. I-start tayo sa mga unang mga mensahe. Seven of Wands. Seven of Swords. Hermit. King of Wands. Five of Swords. Page of Wands. Another messages pa, Spirit Guide. Ten of Cups. Moon. Judgment. Queen of Cups. Page of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. The Empress. Kuha pa tayo isa. Bottom of the deck. Nine of Cups. Meron ditong lies, cheating. Yan. Seven of Swords. Five of Swords. At naging toxic na rin ang inyong relasyon ng person mo. Ang dami niya kasing kasinungaling at mga itinatago sa iyong mga katotohanan. Parang kung hindi man yan ibang person, third party, na marami pala siyang mga dahilan, kasinungalingan, meron na pala siyang ibang kinalolokohan. Malamang dito talagang third party yan. Dahil yung person mo maano yan sa mapusok or lapitin din ng mga temptations. At yun, palagi siya natitempt. Kaya naman, para sa'yo, di ba, itong moon dito is, ang daming mystery do sa person mo. Maaring mas mabuti na lang na ikaw na yung lumayo. Hermit dito is magpakalayo-layo ka, mapag-isa ka muna. Pag-isip-isipan mo, magmuni-muni ka, and sa pagkakaisa mo niyan, mas dun mo nalalaman kung ano ba talaga yung hangad ng puso mo. Yung someone who is passionate, someone who will take care of you, someone who will be there for you, will not cheat with you. Maganda dito, Ace of Swords at saka yung Judgment. Nagkaroon na ng linaw sa isipan mo. Ang mabuti nga dito talaga, Judgment at saka yung Ace of Swords, nagkaroon na ng linaw yung isipan mo. Maari sa mga panahon that you take time with your own, nakapagmuni-muni ka na, nagkaroon ka ng mga reflections about your relationship with this person, naliwanagan ka na. Judgment dito, yan. And yung Ace of Swords. You have clarity in mind. Ano ba talaga hangad ng puso mo? Ganitong klaseng tao ba? Lalo na kung paulit-ulit, diba? Sobrang napapagod ka rin naman. You will meet someone as you pursue your life. You have perseverance to pursue your life. Kung ano mo yung mga hangad mo, mga dreams mo. You will meet someone. Page of Pentacles dito. will offer you more stable relationship. And as mag-grow ang inyong relasyon, be someone who's very passionate, yan, turns into King of Wands. Sobrang napaka-charming nitong taong to. Napaka-passionate niya. Very good-looking person. Yung someone na masasabi mong napakalambing, ang sarap kasama. Because you will feel so much love with this person. Mapapamahal ka sa taong ito. Ito yung magiging wish fulfillment mo. Bubuo kayo ng pamilya. You will live together, happily together. At magbubunga ang inyong pagmamahalan. The Empress. Pakakaalagaan mo rin tong taong to kasi mararamdaman mo sa kanya kung kapaliktaran ng naranasan mo dito sa taong to. Na punong-puno ng sakit, ng so much yung lies, na yan. But this person is passionately in love with you. He will take care of you. He or she will be your wish fulfillment at magbubunga ang inyong pagsasama. Joyful ang inyong magiging relationship. Okay, tingnan natin ang message para sa inyo. Different paths. You are not on the same page with the person you have in mind. The directions you want to move into are different. Maybe ito yun. Itong toxic na person na to. Different paths. Hindi kayo same ng direction. Kaya siguro, hindi rin talaga siya yung nakalaan para sa'yo. Nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. Nothing has gone wrong. Ibig sabihin yan, yung kabiguan mo dito sa taong to, it will lead you to the right person. Kaya just trust the process. Yung connection ninyo with this new person is divinely timed. Nasa divine timing talaga na mag-meet kayo. Reaching your goal. Everything you want from this connection will manifest in the near future. So, ayan. Ito yung reaching your goal with this new person. Everything that you manifest, you will reach it in the near future. So, continue to manifest a deep, loving, committed relationship. Yung merong harmonious relationship. Yung connection ninyo, you are aligned. Hindi yung basta mag-aano ka lang na you want someone, makarelasyon, pero hindi mo ini-specify kung ano talaga yung nais ng puso mo. Tapos ibibigay sa'yo someone, pero hindi naman kayo aligned. Different paths pala. Or someone na toxic. So, dapat be specific. Someone na hindi toxic, mapagmahal, mapag-aruga, honest, someone who will take care of you, someone who will be there for you, loves you, respects you, for a deep, loving, committed relationship. And believe, meron talagang itinakda at nakalaan para sa'yo, yung tamang tao. It is a wish fulfillment and meron kayong blessing of a child. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.